If you have an iPhone with iCloud, and you also have a Windows PC that does not have iCloud set up, you may still want to copy the pictures off of the iPhone to the Windows PC. This method will rely on a USB cable to transfer the photos from iPhone to the PC. USB transfers are pretty quick and will usually go fast, though if you have a ton of photos or large videos, it may take a while to complete the image transfer. Connect the iPhone to the Windows PC with a USB cable. Go to the Start menu in Windows and choose Photos, App, or use the search bar and type Photos. Select Photos from the Start menu to transfer photos from iPhone to Windows 10. After Photos in Windows is open, click on the Import button in the upper right corner of the app. Choose the Import button to transfer photos from iPhone to Windows 10 or 11 PC. Choose the photos you want to transfer from the iPhone to the PC running Windows 10 or 11 and then click Import to begin copying the photos. Start importing photos from iPhone to Photos app on Windows. You can also transfer pictures from iPhone to Windows PC by using Windows Explorer. However, Mac users are able to transfer photos in a similar way with a USB cable. For that, you find the tutorial in the list too or see the link in description.